What's up, guys? 5ZSC here. We're gonna program the Mamba Monster X, the A scale, this 6S version. We just got it, so you pretty much got your link card here. You plug it into the computer. You got the ESC over here. It's pretty damn nice, actually. So we'll start out. So we go to basic. Auto lipo 3.2. Try to bring it up a little bit. That's all your basic settings where you want to be. You always use auto lipo cutoff. Your BAC voltage at 5.5. This is for your data log right here. Part of it you can disable if you like it. If it's full, you can turn it on or off. It doesn't matter. Your brake amount gives you an idea as what you should set it at. Right now it's at 50. On here, which is 50%, the brake will engage at strength 50% strong as the brake setting. You can use that to however you want it. And then you got your drag brake, which is disabled. I don't usually use a drag brake on my stuff. And then below that is the drag brake ramp, where you can adjust how fast you want it to come in and out, but I don't ever use that because it spins it out. Then you go to your start power. Right now it's on low. This is all its default. I usually start mine on medium. Try it out from there. I go between medium and high. It gives you a better range of how it's going to take off. Then you got your max power, which is, always should be at 100%. Your reverse percentage is at 50. You can turn that down if you like. I usually set mine, turn mine down to like 30, so I don't want it backing up super fast, just a little bit. Alright, here's another good one. Punch control. It all depends on what you like. Right now it's at 0%, or I should say disable, which is on here. You scroll down, it tells you everything that you need to know. On disabled, the acceleration will be 100% determined by the capability of your battery pack to flow the power and maintain voltage. So if you're running a hot pack, you don't have to have your punch control turned all the way up at all. You can leave it at disabled, and if you got a super hot battery with a lot of C rating, it'll program it and do it by itself, so you don't have to worry about that unless you're really into that stuff, which I never use it. You can go to torque limit over here. Torque limit allows you to set the limit of torque that the motor can produce, which allows for better control of the car on loose track conditions. A low value in the motor prevents the torque to prevent spinouts and control acceleration. Higher values allow the motor to produce more torque. In order to use this setting, you must first perform an electronic motor test, which I never use mine. I don't turn it on. It's got enough power the way it is, I think. I mean, everybody's different. This is all advanced. I don't ever mess with this stuff. I leave that alone. You go to your motor. Okay. You want to go to Smart Sense brushless, so that way the ESC knows what it's on, but you can change it to only sensors if you have a censored system in your car, or leave it on Smart Sense, and that's where you can come to this. So if you change that to sensorless, let me show you real quick, hopefully. It brings up where you can turn on your cheat mode, and then you get this warning saying it's better to operate in censored only mode. Anything other than that can cause the ESC and the motor to reach unsafe operating temperatures, and then blah blah blah. So if you turn that on, you can go in here, you can adjust your cheat mode wherever you want it. You can adjust all your, like I say, you go in here, you can adjust your cheat mode wherever you want it. You can adjust all your boosts however you want it. You can control your motor cutoff. You can do all this customized stuff in here if you choose to use it. I don't ever use my stuff like that, see, because once you turn on the cheat mode, you get this warning. Higher motor temperatures, motor failure, all that stuff. I don't use that stuff. I don't want to blow up my stuff. I pay a lot of money for this thing. But that's all on up how you guys want to use it or how you want to do it. You just go to your arrows here, go to the little blue dots there, and you key one of those up, and it tells you everything you need to know about everything, which it's common sense, man. The Castle systems are easy to program, easy to do. Once you get them figured out, it's simple. And this is where you can do all your logging, like your voltage, your ripple current, that's all your logging for your data log. Hop over here, go to Throttle Curve. You got a linear curve. You can adjust your throttle points wherever you want it, higher, lower, make it hotter, lower, whatever you want to do. and then you could adjust your brake curve. But it's pretty simple. So when you're done with all that stuff, you come over here, you hit update, and you are good to go. However you want to program it. So back to the throttle curve, you can go up to the highlight section. Right now it's on none, but you can go to linear, kick that, and it's just a straight line, or you can make your own customized curve. You can go down and scroll to curve, put in how you want your curve to be. So I'll give you an example. So if you just grab it, and so you can go whichever way you want with it, make your own throttle curve, however you want to do it. But for me, I'm just going to start on linear, however you say that word. That, and then once you put wherever you want all your points at, once you move all your throttle, and you can do the same thing on brake, come down here, you hit update, like so. It's going to update, as you see, and that's it. You're programmed. That's how simple it is. It literally takes, if you know what you're doing, it'll literally take you 3 minutes if you know how to do it real good. But yeah, plain and simple. And you can always check your software updates and all that stuff. I don't ever do any of that stuff. But yeah, man, hope this helps you guys out. It's simple. Just like I said, you go to where all the blue arrows are. If you have questions about them, you just hit one of those, and it tells you everything that you need to do, or it tells you what it does, or what it's going to do, and everything like that. Your best percentage and where to put it. Like, go here, go to your power. But you go back here, like I said, you hit the little blue dot. This is for the star power, and then it tells you everything that you need to know. What it's good for, what it's not good for, your battery control. But yeah, once you get the hang of it, like I said, it's pretty simple, man. Just a quick video. I'm not the best at this stuff, but I'm learning as we go, man. It's all about the hobby. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. Take care.